Well, the goal of the law is to decrease the separation of parents and children. It requires a social worker or police officer to prove imminent physical harm to a child exists before they can be removed from a home. Representative Kocher says one of the solutions involves changing the law to add hard drug abuse to that list.
Friday, the search for Ariel Garcia ended in tragedy. His mother now behind bars, accused of stabbing him around 16 times.
Ms. Garcia is present in custody unrestrained.
Detectives say his grandmother had been trying to get custody of the 4-year-old, telling court officials in this audio recording her daughter had been using drugs.
The allegations are that the mother is currently using, you said drugs?
Yes. And alcohol.
This order says that the children are to be with you.
Representative Travis Couture believes stronger child protection laws might have helped Ariel.
We don't want instances like what we saw with this case with little Ariel, where, you know, he's murdered, he's dumped like garbage on the side of I-5. Like his life didn't matter.
Couture feels the problem started in 2021 when the legislature passed the Keeping Families Together Act, or House Bill 1227, making it more difficult for DCYF to remove juveniles from a home if the parents are addicted to drugs. The goal was to keep families together and reduce racial injustice. The law now states the child needs to be at risk of imminent physical harm before caseworkers get involved. So Couture proposed a rebuttable presumption bill that would have classified hard drug abuse as imminent harm while allowing parents to respond in court.
What we would have been able to do is more easily remove kids from those dangerous situations.
Instead, he says lawmakers passed a watered-down bill that only addressed fentanyl.
And what that bill did is only for fentanyl and nothing else, no other drugs.
He says his bill might have also helped with an intervention in the case of Jordan Sorensen, a Port Townsend man who admitted that he hid his infant's body in the bushes in January. Couture says the deaths of children like Ariel could continue to rise without changes.
The mother had been involved with CPS before, was known to have used drugs. Had something like my bill been in place, that death might have been prevented.
Couture says the state averaged around 4 to 5 child deaths a year a couple years ago due to drugs, but in 2022 he said the numbers skyrocketed to around 85 confirmed cases and more than 16 near deaths. He says he plans to work on legislation before the next session to once again try to strengthen child protection laws and could pre-file in December. Reporting in the newsroom, Jennifer Dowling, Fox 13 News.